My name is Amanda Shuttleworth and I'm a hairdresser here in Los Angeles. My speciality is hair cutting, men's and ladies, and hair extensions. I've been in the hair industry since I was 16 years old. I taught myself how to cut hair for 2 years and then moved from city to city until I ended up in Los Angeles. I was very lucky. I went into an accelerated program in Manchester at Vidal Sassoon, and I graduated as a hairstylist in Manchester, and they recruited me after being only a stylist for 3 or 4 months to be a teacher in their academy and school down in London. I was the Director of Staff Training International for all the staff of Vidal Sassoon worldwide. I was offered a position in Los Angeles to come and help the school redirect their school teaching program. So I only signed a 1-year contract and I went to Los Angeles with the thought I'd be returning to London in a year. I think when I came to Los Angeles, I was terrified of going back to the salon because it was in Beverly Hills and I had this idea that everyone was going to be a nightmare and high maintenance. What I found is I have everything from my everyday housewives, working career women, young mothers, people's children now have been here so long, celebrities, people who are building up to their celebrity. It's all over the place. I would say for myself, my strong points are hair cutting. I was born and raised a hair cutter. I taught hair cutting for years, but I've also for the past 18 to 20 years really developed my skill as a hair extension expert. And what that means to me is to get all of the taste that I've built over the year, all of the craft that I've built, and be able to do really seamless extensions. It's really more like hair therapy, where you're really adding something to someone, you're really giving them something that their own hair couldn't ever do. So it's not just about creating a young girl with great long hair, it's about the older woman who's losing their hair due to maybe cancer treatments or hormonal balances, who will never have that shiny, youthful, lustrous hair again. I get to provide that as a service to my clients, and it's so rewarding. But the one thing I can say is that I really feel a connection to my clients. It's not just about the hair anymore. If I can't give you good hair at this point in my career, there's something wrong. What I can give is a relationship, and I can be a guide for your health and your wellness with your hair. And I think for me, that's a bigger part of why I do this now, versus just actually doing the service. That's a natural thing for me.